Today I thought I'd make a short video showing you how I remove cotton fiber from seed by hand. It's pretty simple. First, I take the seed with the fiber that's attached, fluff up the fiber, and grab the seed between thumb and forefinger on one hand, grab the fiber between thumb and forefinger on the other hand, and pull. And I do that slowly, working my way around the seed until all the fiber is off. I'll show you that again. So I fluff up the cotton around the seed, grab the seed in one hand, grab the fiber in the other, and pull the fiber off the seed. It's a pretty simple method. It requires no extra equipment and not a lot of space, if hardly any. It is a bit more time consuming and harder on my hands, so I tend not to do it very much. But what it is great for is keeping the seeds intact. So if I know that I'm going to want to plant seeds from a particular cotton boll, I will use this method to remove the fiber from them. Left with cotton and seeds. That's all I have today. Thanks for watching.